Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your physics teacher here from Bahria College's PNET, Miss Saida. Our today learning objectives are to understand zero error in screw gauge and working of screw gauge. Let us first recall your memory. Micrometer screw gauge, useful device for small measurement. Accurate screw and nut are used for measurement. It works on the principle of screw and nut. The screw is attached to a concentric cylinder or thimble, the circumference of which is divided into number of equal parts. A screw is turned through nut by one revolution. Its axial movement is equal to pitch of the thread of a screw. As you know, zero error is a technical term which means how far away from zero is the reading of instrument when the real value is known as to be zero. In figure A, zero coincide with baseline zero, there is no zero error. There are two kinds of zero error, positive and negative zero error in a screw gauge. When the zero mark of the circular scale is below the baseline of the main scale, the zero error is said to be positive. In figure B, 0 is below from the baseline of the main scale, so error is positive. The reading is 3 division. When 3 multiplied by least count of 0.01 millimeter, positive error answer will be 0.03 millimeter. In case of negative zero error, when the zero mark of the circular scale is above the baseline of the main scale, the zero error is said to be negative. In case of figure C, 0 is above from the baseline and the reading counted from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here is 4 division coincide with the baseline, so circular scale reading would be 4 division. After multiplying least count, we get 0.04 millimeter, negative zero error. Now know the working of screw gauge. Close the gap between the spindle and the stud of the screw gauge by turning the ratchet in the clockwise direction. Note main scale as well as circular scale reading to find zero error. Here is positive zero error because 0 is below the baseline. Main scale reading is 0 and circular scale reading is 24 because 24 division coincide with baseline, so zero error will be 24 multiplied by 0.01 millimeter is equal to 0.24 millimeter. Note down this zero error in your copy. Now open the gap between stud and spindle of the screw gauge by turning the ratchet in anti-clock direction. Place a given wire in the gap. Turn the ratchet so that the object is pressed gently between the stud and the spindle. Note the main scale reading 0 and 1. 1 millimeter is the main scale reading and 85 division of the micrometer coincide with baseline, So the reading of the circular scale will be 85 division and multiply by 0.01 millimeter. Circular scale reading will be 0.85 millimeter. Now diameter of the wire, main scale reading 1 millimeter. Circular scale reading 0.85 millimeter. Observed diameter of the given wire is main scale reading plus circular scale reading 1 millimeter plus 0.85 millimeter is equal to 1.85 millimeter. Correct diameter 1.85 millimeter minus 0.24 millimeter because error is positive, so negative correction required. Actual reading will be 1.61 millimeter. Thus, diameter of the given wire is 1.61 millimeter. I hope you will understand to take reading from a screw gauge. Here is your home task. Now, Allah Hafiz.